What's the role of psychology in marketing? How psychology happens?
See, marketing is all about psychology. What you are doing through marketing, you are actually educating your customers, you are educating your consumers about a particular product.
Yes, sir.
Psychology plays a very important role because you need to understand consumer psychology.
Right, sir.
आप प्रोडक्ट बेचेंगे किसे?
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
अगर आपके पास कस्टमर ही नहीं है प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने के लिए तो आप बेचेंगे किसे? और वो कस्टमर्स बनेंगे कैसे जब तक आप उनके माइंड को ड्राइव नहीं करेंगे. और माइंड को ड्राइव कैसे किया जाएगा? थ्रू साइकोलॉजी.
Exactly.
So people are intented now these days. Social media marketing has taken a great role. People are bound to click on a particular advertisement just because of the psychological aspect, even though they don't want to go for that product or not. वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहते हैं या नहीं चाहते हैं, फिर भी वो उस पे जाते हैं. This is all about psychology because that part has actually taken place of that particular part has taken place in marketing, and that is what we say dark marketing.
Right, sir.
The dark side, the dark pattern of marketing. Now again, when we say dark marketing or dark pattern of marketing, it is not sinister, it is not a bad word.
Right.
But again, marketers have actually targeted audience कि हमको किसको अट्रैक्ट करना है. They have a target audience, specific audience. They don't go for masses. So again, this psychology has a great impact. And again, when you talk of dark marketing, psychology plays a very important role into that. They first need to decide कि हमें किस ऑडियंस के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाना है, हमें किस ऑडियंस को टारगेट करना है, हमें कैसी ऑडियंस, कैसे जेंडर, कैसे सेक्स की ऑडियंस को हमें अपने क्लिक पे लेके आना है, अपने पेज पे लेके आना है. So that is all about, you see, when you open an Amazon page,
बिल्कुल,
you will not find anything on the page. Suppose you need to go on the contact us, you need to scroll through whole page.
It is at the down.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they want that you should go through all the products which are mentioned over there.
Again, it's a dark pattern.
It is a psychology.
Yeah.
कहीं तो click करोगे.
बिल्कुल.
And when you don't click on that, even though at least you can see all those products, and in somebody is there in discussion with you, you can suggest, I have seen this product on Amazon. You go on Amazon and find out.
And after that, the ads also come related to that.
Definitely. So this is all about AI, artificial intelligence.
Exactly.
Once you are there, you are trapped. And we see that in Instagram pages or reels, we find different ads. I will share you one example.
Sure,
recently, 1 month before, I was checking that these days there are so many replicas of branded watches, and reels are also available. That people are there who are having the replica of these branded watches, and they are actually, what we can say, they are selling it on very low price. I just click on one particular reel, and later on I found bombardment of reels on my Insta page related to that. Every second reel was coming with an advertisement of showing that these are certain branded watches available in the market. So this is all about AI.
Actually, it is tracking your behavior and
definitely all. It is actually tracking that what kind of product we are clicking on.
All right.
That is, they are that data is actually captured, and through that they are again relating other products which are of same pattern. That's why it is known as dark pattern.
Dark pattern. It's all about identifying the pattern.
It is all about identification of the pattern.
This thing actually starts at the beginning of the product development also, na? Like when we are talking.
Yes. See, companies are very specific.
Yes.
They are very clever. Earlier, you see that companies were looking for the product which reaches to masses.
Right.
Now, in dark pattern or dark marketing, they are actually approaching niche market. उन्हें किसे टारगेट करना है. Now you see, एक बहुत सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है निश मार्केटिंग का कि मर्सिडीज हर एक के पास तो है नहीं.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
उसे हर कोई नहीं खरीदता.
बिल्कुल।
उसे खरीदने वाले अलग हैं, तो उनका टारगेट ऑडियंस भी अलग है। इट इज निश मार्केटिंग।
नीश मार्केटिंग।
इट इज नॉट मारुति,
एग्जैक्टली।
इट इज नॉट पीपल्स चॉइस कि हर कोई उसे देखना चाहेगा, हर कोई उसे लेना चाहेगा, हर कोई उसके शोरूम पे विजिट करेगा। तो टुडे कंपनीज आर बिकमिंग मोर स्पेसिफिक, दे आर गोइंग टू निश मार्केटिंग, दे आर एक्चुअली taking the help of dark marketing or dark patterns to target their audience.
So that niche market term is very important. Like all the startups who is watching this podcast, so please can you explain that more about niche marketing? How startups can utilize it fully?
See, the niche marketing actually evolves when you talk about your audiences.
Yes.
आपका target audience क्या है? You need to identify that, and you need to prepare a set sort of advertisement related to that particular audience, that what exactly they want. I was recently watching on the technology into the that automobile industry. I found that Toyota is coming up with a car which is actually prepared just after taking the choices of the customer. So they are taking the saliva, and through saliva they are taking the DNA. They are reaching to the DNA, and they are constructing, they are designing cars in that phase, that how customer will, how this DNA will feel leisure into my car. वो मेरी कार में बैठने के बाद कैसे कंफर्ट महसूस करेगा. They are designing that.
That's a really great thing, sir. Like
so now they are coming up like that. There are very great examples we can see that how this niche marketing. Now you see, किसने सोचा था कि इस तरीके से भी डिजाइन होगा कि आपके सलाइवा का सैंपल लिया जाएगा, उसके बेसिस पे आपका डीएनए टेस्ट किया जाएगा और ये चेक किया जाएगा कि आपके डीएनए को कैसा कंफर्ट सूट करता है, आपके डीएनए को कैसा कलर सूट करता है.
ये तो बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग आ गई पूरी.
डेफिनेटली ये मासेस के लिए नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज निश मार्केटिंग.